In today's episode of Less Than 2 Minutes, we will be focusing on print in Python. The print method is used to print specified messages to your screen or other standard output devices. The messages can be strings, integers, booleans, or floats. In this example, we're going to print hello world. By putting parentheses around the word, I make it a string. And when I click the play button at the top right, it displays the message below without the parentheses. Let's mix it up a little bit by including variables. The X variable will equal hello in string, and the Y will equal world in string. By adding these two variables together inside of the print method, I receive the same message as before. There are a multitude of ways one can manipulate a string. You can use the capitalize method at the end of a variable, which will capitalize the first letter. The split method will split and separate each word in a variable. The title method will capitalize the beginning of each word. And the replace method will replace any letter with another. If you found this video helpful, make sure to follow the Pi Society on Twitter. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.